Namaste dosto, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in last video, as I told that I would be sharing the list of shortcuts which we already saw in videos, but for like making notes or for future reference, I have listed some of the shortcuts. Okay, so just before appearing for an interview or exam, you can go through them, okay, easily. We have already seen all these, and now the shortcuts which have practical relevance, I have highlighted it in like red font color. For example, Alt F12. Okay, this is for filtering the transaction. Here you can see debook, and these three shortcuts, Alt 2 is to duplicate the entry, or Control R is to remove, and Control U is to restore. At the time of vouching, these shortcuts, these two shortcuts are used, okay, or for any other purpose also you can use. Alt F1 is also common, that is for detailed or condensed report, okay, for your own understanding or for making other people understand, you can use this Alt F1. Some of the shortcuts which are common to balance sheet, profit and loss, trial balance, debook, I have listed down at one place. For example, Alt F1, this one is common. F2 also is common, date range, that is for selecting the period, but for debook, Alt F2 is used instead of F2, okay. F12 is for configuration, and this column related you can use Alt C, okay, for adding like new column. Alt A for alteration, Alt D for deletion, and Alt N for generation of reports, okay. And some which are uncommon, and let me make correction. You may find some typo, please ignore or let me know in comment box. I'll make correction, okay. And some shortcuts which are like not commonly used, these are specific, like for balance sheet and profit and loss account we use F8 for valuation of closing stock, okay. And for trial balance, this shortcut is and used in trial balance, okay. F5, that is if we have to see ledger wise or group wise report. For stock summary, stock item wise report, okay. F7 is for generation of profits, for like how much profits we are earning from each of the stock. F9 for more inventory reports. So these are the list of shortcuts which we already saw. You can refer my videos for detail. This is just for like reference, or if you are going for an interview, then you can go through this. Thank you friends. This list is not exhaustive and includes only those shortcuts which we have already talked in previous videos. In upcoming videos we will see the entry part, and entry for RCM and GST entries also. So stay connected, and if there is any suggestion regarding the improvement of videos, kindly let me know, okay. Thank you friends for your time.